build a new toilet here, ready to go. Clean the old flange off. Got the new flange seal on, got the new flange bolts locked and ready to go. All right, so let's go ahead and get it going. Let's get it on there. Yeah. Okay, toilet is on, nice and even on the new seal. Let's go ahead and lock them down.
What makes the work?
All right, David, here we go. Door back on, toilet locked in, nice and strong. Nice flush. Boom. No leaks. Perfect, didn't back up. And there you go. Alrighty. Everything's bolted down, nice and solid, ain't going nowhere. Real solid. Filling it up. First time. Now this pipe had been collapsed or whatever inside. They took a 1/8 snake, broke it through, so hopefully it's good. It hasn't backed up anymore, so let's see how the water goes out. Here we go, flush number 1. Okay, well, I mean, it went down that time. We'll see. And no leaks, everything's good. All good. Nothing came out, that's what we want. Everything's holding, I don't see any leaks anywhere. Do another flush. Good flush, good flush. No backup, no leaks. So far good. Nice toilet, it fills up fast. I picked a good one. And it fit right in there perfect, look at that. Right to the wall. Could have did a better job at picking the right fit for it. Locked in nice.
That looks terrible though.
The floor, yeah, I mean.
Don't that look terrible?
Yes, it's all bubbled up because it's got wet, so it warped. It needs changed out, but you can just cut around the toilet because I don't seal the toilets like that. So you can easily slip a little piece, yeah, sure. And then you can cock it after that if you want. But right now, I don't. Yeah, I don't cock them because.
Hey, Gigi.
But yeah, that's good. Looks great. Nothing. More. Just give it a, if it don't come back by now, then we should be pretty cool. For now, anyway. Okay. Just kind of forcing it through for a minute. Now I'm going to give it one more flush, and I feel after that it should be good because that's 40 foot. It had to go. Didn't come back. Yeah, you can put that back on now. Alright, David, here we go. Door back on. Toilet locked in. Nice and strong. Nice flush. Boom. No leaks. Perfect. Didn't back up. And there you go.